Hi guys, welcome to Success Clinic, and today in Success Clinic we'll be having physics clinic on simplified physics. So today we are going to be doing the intro video for SS2 first term. I hope you have followed us through the SS1 series, and for the SS2 we are going through the scheme of work. So what do we intend to cover in SS2? What are the topics we intend to cover for this first term? So the first thing we have here is the content. So the first subject, the first topic we are going to be talking about is scalar and vector. So that's scalar and vectors quantities. Somebody chatted me up telling me that he's interested to know discuss this subject, but don't worry, this is the first topic we are going to be discussing for what SS2 first term. So the next subtopic is motion. So motion. The next one is what projectiles. The next one is what equilibrium of solids. The next one is equilibrium in liquid. And the last topic for the term is going to be simple harmonic motion. So how we are going to go through this term, we have 12 weeks in the term. So the first week we are going to do a little bit revision of what we have done so far in SS1. Then the second week we are going to be talking about scalar and vector quantities. So in this topic we discuss what scalars are, what vectors are, resultant vectors, and how do we add vectors. So the next topic is motion. So here we are going to be talking about revision of motion, equation of motion of bodies under what gravity. Then we'll jump over to what projectiles, where we'll talk about the terminologies, the various types of projectile, and talk about time of flight, maximum height, range, and the rest of them. Then the fifth week we are going to be talking about equilibrium of solids. So we are going to define what equilibrium is. We are going to talk about some terms. What is the meaning of equilibrant force? We are going to talk about center of gravity, moment of a force, couple, and type of what equilibrium. Then in the sixth week we are going to be doing two things. We are going to be having our practical and also our continuous assessment. So on the practical aspect, we are going to be doing a practical on what equilibrium of solid, making use of what the meter rule. Then in the seventh week we'll be having our midterm break. Eighth week we'll be having equilibrium of solids in liquid. So that is where we talk about what are fluids, talk about ultras, what is Archimedes principle, flotation, the principle of flotation, density, relative density, and the rest of them. So in the ninth week we are going to be doing a practical on what we just learned, practical of what ultras. Then 10th week we are going to enter the last topic, which is what simple harmonic motion. What is simple harmonic motion? The energy of a body in simple harmonic motion. Then 11th week we'll be doing what revision of everything we have done for this term. Then 12th week is our examination. So I hope you are going to have a wonderful time through this our journey for SS2 first term. Congratulations, welcome to this class. So make sure you subscribe, like, and keep following our channel for more of this. So as we said before, we'll be having lectures and also tutorials, so make sure you don't miss any of them. So thank you very much for listening. I remain Oriaku Emeka Steven. Thank you very much for listening. I remain Oriaku Emeka Steven. So see you in the first lecture. Bye.